Love Spouse App User Manual. So if you want to use Love Spouse app, then what you need to do is first you need to download the application from your Google Play or your App Store. Once it's installed, just turn on your Love Spouse device and enable Bluetooth on your Android phone. Just go and log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you need to just simply tap on the plus icon to add your device. You can scan the device QR code or type in the device code manually. You can also go with the partner tab, so make sure that you've enabled Bluetooth, camera, and also microphone permissions. After that, you need to go with the partner tab in the app and then tap on add partner button. You'll get a unique partner code or a QR code. Share this code or QR code with your partner and they'll need to open their Love Spouse app. Go to add partner and either enter your code or scan your QR code. Once both of them confirm the request, you're linked as partners in the app. Now you can control each other's devices remotely and chat with voice calls or try new cool features like interactive vibrations and sync mode. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.